This is code.org. Let's see what we have here. So, this is code.org, and let's see what we got. Velocity Ride. Click the green shaded bar below to reveal the user stories. Ah, yes. So I've mentioned this before, guys. User stories are well used in real world programming. If you are a professional programmer or a software developer for like Google, Facebook, whatever, this is how information will be presented to you before starting your work. It makes sure that you keep the customer in mind. At least that's the idea. All right, so that being said, let's see what we're doing here. The app on the left is the completed version. Oh, that's nice of them. Play around with it. Sure. Let me hit run here. I'll take a bike. How long? 11 minutes exactly. Day of the week. Tuesday. Don't have a promo code. What do I get a ride? Oh, interesting. So it gives you like a price. What? $8? Scooters are more? This is outrageous. $4. Anyways, all right. Oh, they gave us a promo code. How nice of them. Let me copy paste. Kill that space. Guys, why am I'm not getting a discount? Is it like a day of the week thing? That's rude. Oh, that helped. Okay. What's the purpose of the app? Obviously, it's to get find a ride. I don't really know, because what am I gonna now go to the scooter and pick it up? Sure, but it's obviously to rent or check out or reserve a vehicle. Describe the functionality. I think we've done that as we've gone. This is looking good. I'm excited to dive in and build our own. Let's get going. Onward.